Hi everyone, welcome to Ebikes Bornem in Belgium, our favorite Sur-ron shop who always provides the latest upgrades with the necessary know-how. They're also the only eBMX dealer for Benelux, so they're definitely the go-to if it comes down to tuning electric bikes for track or recreational use. I'm actually looking at some new stuff for my 72V Sur-ron. My BAC8000 is still doing exactly what I need, but my main concern are the brakes, and Ebikes Bornem has exactly what I need. Let's head back to Redwire Custom Shop to mount the new upgrades. Oh, did I forget to mention, I got some different gearing as well. We're actually changing the back sprocket from a 60 tooth to a 56 tooth in the hopes of taming the brute acceleration it has with these smaller tires. That's the main problem right now, we already changed the gearing. So this does have consequences though. The engine needs to spin faster in order to reach the same speeds as before, making it overheat faster. We'll have to come up with a plan for that if it seems to become an issue on the circuit of Spa this summer. Now for the brakes, a few key points to mention. I got the bike set up with 12-inch flow wheels and these huge ass flying brake discs. It was quite a challenge to get the brake calibers on there while the disc was already mounted to the wheel, but eventually managed to get them on there. So for those questioning, yes, the upgraded eBMX brake kit gets delivered with all the necessary nuts and bolts, plus adapter, plus does fit on 12-inch wheels or above. And this is how it looks. Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much Flow Wheels USA, thank you Ebikes Bornem Belgium and Redwire Custom Shop for making this project come together piece by piece.
Oh, Stef, ik wil dat deze wil zeggen.
We klaar zijn.
yeah, we're almost getting ready for a few proper test rides on track. I want to get the feel of the bike again a bit first, but that's all something for next time. So, if you like this sort of content, please subscribe and like. Don't forget to hit the notification button, and I'll see you in the next. Thank you for watching.